Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. It is 10:04 and 22 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'd just like to mention, we are going through a significant heat wave, and I'm behind my research. Today's research is on lung cancer, so let's hop to it here. Preventing lung cancer's unwelcome return. Date July 13th, 2021. Source, Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory. Approximately 15% of lung cancer tumors are caused by a mutation in a growth receptor called EGFR. An effective drug can kill most of the cancer cells, but the tumor eventually grows back. Researchers investigated the molecular mechanism behind this relapse. They discovered that some of the cells were resistant to the EGFR treatment. They survived using a parallel pathway. Researchers discovered that a small percentage of drug-resistant cancer cells were already present before treatment. Instead of relying on EGFR, these cells are dependent on another gene, AXL, for survival. Furthermore, they observed that the cells can transition between these drug-sensitive and drug-resistant states. When patients finish EGFR treatment, random modifications constantly occur in the remaining cells, causing both types of cells to grow back. Researchers focus on microRNA, a molecule that regulates cells, by managing transcribed copied genes. The genome is like a library, so when you have to do a recipe to bake something, you go there, you transcribe your recipe, you take it out from the library, you go in the kitchen. What these microRNAs do, they intercept all the recipes that are getting out from your library, and then they decide whether this is a recipe that the cell should care about or not. So they are what they call gatekeepers of the cell state. The researchers discovered that a certain microRNA, called MIR335, determines the state of the cancer cell. And if the cancer cell loses MIR335, a cascade of events is triggered that allows cells to use the alternative AXL pathway. The cells are not killed by drugs that target EGFR. These drug-resistant cells survive, and eventually the tumor grows back. Understanding how resistance arises in lung cancer is key to figuring out how to eliminate a tumor. Researchers hope that these findings could help develop treatments to wipe out both AXL and EGFR-dependent cells from the start. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.